welcome back. I am thought I should start the episode here. So let's try to find our way back home. I'm thinking we could collect some gravel ores on the way back. I think this is copper. Yep. We should also collect some sand, because we'll need that. Maybe not here, since we need a nice sandy beach to do it. Stupid spiders. They're too fat. So, I probably should have just started my Let's Play series with Fingers Construct, because turkey! I thought I'd get turkey. So, seriously. I didn't get the string. No, I hate it. Got some redstone. 2 redstone. What can I do with 2? Well, that's leather. I could use that. Well, we could smelt up. Let's make some emerald tools. 18 emeralds. Tons of wood. There is a villager in my house. Villagers aren't allowed. So I'm thinking emerald pick first. Maybe I should put some stuff in my chest. Okay, so let's grab these. I'm thinking now sword, and then we can make some armor. Yeah, it's an enchanted emerald picks. Get enchantments when they're crafted. So let's take more and put this stuff on. Woo! Schmancy. I might, just for the sake of awesomeness, get the double hands mod, where you can have like 2 hands and rocking it. So that might be cool. So I might end the episode here. This is a really short one, actually. You know what? Since this one was really short, let's extend it a bit and go get some sand and gravel and clay, so I could start getting from Tinker's Construct, get the smeltery. Going, because the smeltery is really good early game, because you have 9 of something, or you get double the output. So let's just get some sand. Oh, is this clay? Yeah, it's clay. Well, there's only 1 piece of clay. So oh, I see some more over there. I probably should have made emerald shovel instead of armor. I need some more clay, sand, and gravel. I could just take gravel from the village. Iron golem. I want that. If I could give myself an iron golem without actually having to use. Yeah.
Hurting me! Stop it!
Last thing I needed werewolves to like blow. No! Yeah, again, the water movement is turned off because it helps me have better gameplay. I think some redstone will come in handy, so let's grab it. And the earlier skeleton I killed dropped a bow. Sucked because I missed it. The lava effect's on because there's less of it in the world, so it doesn't lag games as much. Aluminum. So So let's grab this gravel. So I'm going to end it here. So I'll see you later.